is that if you're going to look to see where's the initial surge, you have to cross it with time. And essentially what you have to say is, what was the initial surge within the day? But within what, one trading day? You can't go beyond that. Why? Because you're going to be in the FTP trade for less than a day, because those are the rules, right? So the point is, when you're going to look for the surge here, okay, the only thing you're allowed to do, in my opinion, at this point, is don't go anywhere below here, because that's the thing that occurred in time. Okay, that all occurred within one day. Okay, so even if this thing kind of dropped and it didn't do it in this leisurely fashion, and let's say it went all the way down to here, and here, let me just draw this here. Let's just pretend this price action did this. And let's just pretend it just went like that. It just dropped like a stone from here all the way down to here. Okay, and let's just say it went like over here though. Okay, you can't use this. Why? Because you're already you're already 2 days out from here. Okay, and so that's my point here, is that when you're gonna use the surge, you have to do it in the time to accommodate the FTP program. In other words, you have to do it within one day. No matter how far this thing goes, you can't go beyond the day, because you got to be realistic about what you can do in a day. So I just kind of wanted to point